Okay, we are on our fourth and final video on how to actually set up an event. After this, there will be videos on how to actually run your events that you could check out as well. So we see here on our progress bar, we are on the social media tab, and then we only have one more option after this. And remember, if some of this gets difficult or overwhelming at first, you can always save and quit to figure out, all of your options here. So School Collector has integrated a social media option to try to help you promote your ticket sales. Basically, we have, heard from other schools that they really like to try to promote their dance or event on Twitter, and they actually have their students help them do this. So an example would be Homecoming often has a Spirit Week where different classes, compete to win different awards. So you could run a competition where the class that tweets the most ticket sales or the most about the event could win a prize. So say you want to do that and you want to create a special Twitter message here. So this would be like what you actually want your students to tweet, and they can change this just like you can change, anything you actually want to share on social media. But maybe you want to say, just bought my ticket to the prom. You want to say hashtag prom 2000, we'll say 17 since prom will be this spring. And let's say you want to share your handle. So let's say you are, we said that our school is on Main Street. So let's say you are Main High School. Maybe that is your Twitter handle. And that way it'll help you keep track of all of the people who have purchased, and it'll kind of help all of the students to, see that their friends are buying tickets. It really, really encourages ticket sales when students see their friends are going. This right here is not what would show up on Twitter. This is what will show up on our site when they buy their ticket. So you could say, share our event so more of your friends attend. Or maybe you want to mention something reminding them of a competition that you're running. Now this is optional. You don't have to use this option, but something that's there for you. Okay, our final step is the file upload. So we have different files that we will allow you to upload. This is that .csv file I've been talking to you about, and it's a very important file if you're using student IDs at all. You must upload this before you can continue with ticket sales. Now you also have the option to upload an event permission form, and we tell you right here, this will be emailed to your students. So I mentioned earlier they could print this, sign it, and bring it in. Or anything else that you may want to show them, this will also show up in their confirmation email. So these two I'm just not going to really show you, how to do the upload because I'm showing you how to do an upload here. So we click the upload option, but we have to actually have a CSV file available. Now, I go into quite a bit of detail of how to use a CSV file in our FAQ page. So you can visit there, and I'm going to include a link to that with this video. But, just ask around at your school if you've never heard of a CSV file. It's just a spreadsheet that shows a bunch of, your students' information. So if I go to upload, choose file, I would be able to kind of look around through here wherever I saved it to my computer. This is something I actually already have on my computer, and I know that the list is here. I'm going to open it. It's a test list, and it's a large list that we have whenever we run tests. So I'm going to do upload file. Now, we also have links just right in here that will bring you to that page I was talking to you about learning how to upload a file. Now, don't forget, I showed you that in the sales availability option, we could actually change that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make that my final video for you. when I'm showing you kind of how to run your actual ticket sales. So for now, we're going to save and publish event. And this time, because it's kind of processing, this might take a minute. So you can see right down here, whoops, you can see right down here that it is waiting for ticket sales. Just kind of give it a minute. Don't hit the back arrow. It's loading. It's just the system is registering your entire event and publishing it now.